Hi, I'm Max Mishakov. Today I will tell you what to keep in mind when mastering your mix. This is the additional video to my video How to Find and Develop Your Mixed Voice full guide. You will find the link to this video. So the first thing you will need to know is that most likely you will find your mixed voice with the high larynx. Your high larynx will be your starting point because it's easier to find your mixed voice with the high larynx. But later you will need to lower it to make your larynx neutral for two reasons. The first reason is just makes the sound more beautiful, and the second reason, it will be difficult to add chest voice with the high larynx. And there you may face a problem because there is a range of your larynx, of the position of your larynx, where you have buzzing in your NG sound, like you will have buzzing. But if you lower it too much, you will lose this buzzing in your NG sound, which we don't need. So if we lower the larynx like there is no buzzing. So at the same time, we need to lower the larynx. This is the range of our what we call low larynx. So we need to find the position where the larynx is low, but we have this buzzing at the same time. We need this range where when we have the buzzing and the larynx is low at the same time, like but when we make it even lower, we will lose the buzzing, like no buzzing. So you got the idea. The second thing you will need to keep in mind, don't lift your soft palate too much. What do I mean? Leave some nasality in the sound, because in most cases people, especially when you add chest voice, you start sounding like this. It means that you closed the whole nasal cavity, which gives us the resonance. So if you have problems, if you have some lack of resonance, most likely you will need to leave some nasality. Send little bit of the sound into your nasal cavity. So sometimes it feels like you're a little bit nasal. And the last thing, don't try to add your chest voice in your mixed voice just in one day, because you will need to do it little by little, day by day, because it feels like walking on the rope. So when you walk on the rope, at first it's difficult to stand. At first you fall. The same thing with your mixed voice. Add your chest voice little by little. Start with your light mix, which is head dominant mix. Then add more chest, more and more. And don't forget to make your larynx a little bit lower and to leave some nasality, which will help you with adding chest. Thank you for watching. Write your questions.